Seeing a Steam api.dll file is missing error when trying to open a program or game. This error can occur due to various reasons related to missing or damaged system files. In this video, I'll show you simple methods to fix this DLL error step by step. Now, before we go into the fixes, we need to find out if you have a 32 or a 64-bit Windows operating system. To do that, in the search area of the taskbar, type Settings. Click on the first result that appears, and then scroll down. You should be able to see the About section. Click on that, and next to System Type, you should be able to find out if you have a 64 or a 32-bit operating system. Now that you've found this information, let's jump into the fixes. For the first method, you'll need to download the missing DLL file and place it in the correct folder on your computer. First, open your browser, go to the link shown on the screen, and scroll down to the Download section. Here, download the 32-bit DLL file and save it to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to get the DLL file. Next, open File Explorer, go to the C drive, and then open the Windows folder. Now, the folder where you paste the file depends on your Windows system type. If you're using a 32-bit version of Windows, open the System32 folder and paste the DLL file there. Or, if you're using a 64-bit version of Windows, open the syswow64 folder and paste the 32-bit DLL file there instead. Once that's done, restart the application and check if the DLL error has been fixed. The missing DLL error could also be caused if Windows Defender has quarantined or removed the file. To check if that has happened and to see if you can restore the DLL file, in the search area of the taskbar, type Windows Security and open it. Now, click on Virus and Threat Protection and click on Protection History. Here, you'll see a list of actions taken by Windows Defender. Look for anything marked as quarantined. If you find your DLL file here, click on the item, click on Actions, and select Restore. This will bring the file back to its original location. Next, to prevent this from happening again, go back to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion and select File or Folder, then add the DLL file or its folder. After these steps, restart your PC and check if the DLL error is fixed. If you're getting the DLL error while launching a game on Steam, you can verify the game files to fix missing or corrupted DLL files. To do this, open Steam as admin. Go to your library, right-click on the game showing the DLL error, and click on Properties. Now go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all the game files and automatically re-download any missing or corrupted files. This includes DLL files as well. Once the process is complete, restart Steam and launch the game again. In most cases, this should fix the DLL error. For this method, you can download Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages from the official Microsoft website and install them on your PC to see if that fixes the DLL error. To do this, open your browser and go to this Microsoft link. Here, you'll see different Visual Studio versions available for download. We need to download and install Visual C++ Redistributable 2015 and the 2017 to 2026 versions. Let's start with the 2015 version first. Click on the adjacent link. Here it asks us to visit another page, my.visualstudio.com. So go ahead and open that link. You may need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. Next, go to the Download section. I'm just going back to the previous page to copy the text that I need to search for. Copy it, paste it into the search bar, and hit Search. Now you can see that the download file appears. Here you'll find both x86 and x64 versions. You need to download both of these files, so click on Download, then click Save. Next, select the x86 version from the drop-down. Click Download and then Save again. Now let's go back to the previous page and download Visual C++ Redistributable 2017 to 2026. Again, here we need to download both the x86 and x64 versions. Start by clicking on the adjacent link for the x86 version. Click Save. Then download the x64 version as well and click Save. Now that both files have been saved, the next step is to install them. First, install Visual C++ Redistributable 2015 and then install 2017 to 2026. Click Yes, agree to the terms, and then click Install. Click Close and repeat the same process for the remaining files. Sometimes, when you open the installer, you might see a repair option instead of install. If that appears, it means the program is already installed on your PC, but may be corrupted. In that case, select Repair. However, if you only see the install option, simply proceed with the installation as usual. Once all installations are complete, restart your PC and check if the missing DLL error is now fixed. So those are some methods you can try to fix the missing DLL error on your Windows PC. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you resolve the problem. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.